Welcome back, everyone. Funny enough, I went and bought an iPhone 7, but little did I know it would actually come inside of the box that it originally came in, I assume. Now, when I went ahead and, opened it up, I first of all saw that it came with the box, which was super crazy, so I figured it would make for a good video. So let's go ahead and unbox an iPhone 7, I'm assuming in 2021. Now, this phone first came out in 2016. And I like this phone. I like it a lot. I bought another one because my other ones were messing up and I needed one for comparisons and stuff. So let's go ahead and take up the top box, and you can see that first of all the box is thicker than the normal boxes that we have nowadays, and that's mostly because we have, at least were supposed to have, the charging cable, the charging brick, as well as the headphones that typically came with our specific iPhones. Now taking this thing out, you can see that we do have the iPhone underneath, which is great. Now this is a rose gold one, which is different than the one with the box came in, at least I saw in the pictures. Now taking out these specific covers, you can see it still has the Apple stickers, which is great. This was the pamphlet for the original iPhone 7, and it's so interesting to see these things with the home buttons and all this other stuff. It's super crazy, and I'm surprised it still has the Apple stickers, to be honest. Putting these to the side, let's go and take out the iPhone, which I don't know if it's going to have power. It might. So I had to pull it out this way, and you can see that it looks just like my other iPhone 7s. That does have the rose gold color. It's my favorite color. Surprisingly, it doesn't match up with the box. I don't think this is the same color, so that's very interesting. And underneath it, you can see that we do have the charging brick and the cable. It's supposed to come with headphones as well. It looks like it didn't come with them, but at least it came with the standard USB, so it does match up with the charging. This might be the original iPhone 7 cable too, who knows? So that's typically what an unboxing experience would be if we did have everything that our iPhones were supposed to have nowadays. Now let me see if I can boot this thing up, which it may have some power. I'm not really too sure. And it doesn't look like it has any power, to be honest, but I guess that's just a quick little unboxing of this phone. I think it's pretty cool. From where we were in 2016 to where we're at now with something like an iPhone 12 Pro. But to be honest, I do miss these boxes. I do miss the thicker ones. I understand for the environment and stuff, but it would be cool if we still had some type of, bigger boxes with some more capability and some more features, and like charging bricks and headphones and stuff like that. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.